Hello. Yes. Everyone wondering who is this?
Hi.
Okay. So this is my co-host. So anyway, I've been quiet. I've been gone for a long time, almost a month. But now nimerudi, and you can see it wasn't in vain. I was looking for a co-host, and now we have one. She's gonna introduce herself, and I'll be out here.
Hi. I'm Anastasia, or rather you could call me Chef Mudeo.
Guys, welcome back, Chef Moha and Chef Mudeo, and she'll be joining us for forever, right?
Yeah. Today we'll just do something simple, a tropical smoothie, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So basically, today's video will be like a welcoming party. So we'll just have a drink, talk, yeah, a drink of smoothie.
As I said earlier, we're going to prepare a tropical smoothie, and this recipe will serves two. And here are our ingredients: 2 mangoes, slices of pineapple, and ginger.
So then you can put in not a pinch, like a teaspoon of sugar to like match the taste and ikuwe kitu moja. So next goes our ginger into there. So next we have ice cubes in the layer.
Or for easier removal of the ice cubes, you can twist or
Bend this thing.
Yeah, you can bend the ice cubes in.
But really it's dangerous to put ice cubes because okay, this is glass, it's hard
To blend. Check the consistency. Looks yummy.
What you're going to do is pour it in a jug. No, not a jug. Yeah, just a storage facilities for your juice and all that.
Use the same spoon to scoop.
So next up we have a guest ingredient, a guest smoothie.
The common banana smoothie.
Look at the knife skills. She'll do a, what is it? She'll do a tutorial on knife skills.
Bananas. Check well before you.
Spoon of honey. This will be just, and if you have strawberries, by the way, it's just the best. Look at the yogurt out there. Oh, yeah.
Half a cup of milk.
One. So now I just shout to the back. So next,
Into the jar.
into a beautiful jug.
Glass jar.
The rest. Yeah, so these are ready now. Very chilled. We shall put them here. So now that we are about to set, we're going to put in the tropical mix. Look at it there, guys. Right. The milkshake. Ready?
This is really nice.
This is good. Refreshing, I tell you. So Okay, I hadn't thought of this tukianza, but what if the way this is refreshing, we are now refreshing our channel.
Yeah.
Starting rebooting, you know.
Rebooting.
We want
Restarting.
exactly. Shall we exchange now?
And this is just
Let's see. We are done for today. I hope you enjoyed this.
today was actually my first day to do a shoot, and it's like I've been here, like it didn't feel new to me. I'm so excited about this, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Yeah.
This and many more. So you guys subscribe, like, share, man, and we'll see you. Stay spiced. Yeah.
Stay spicy.
Black peppery.
Bye.
See ya. Subscribe and like.
Like and share.